A delayed credit in QuickBooks Online is useful for creating customer credits you can apply as line item credits within future invoices for the customer. Delayed credits are not posted until you manually apply them when creating a future invoice for the customer, regardless of how QuickBooks Online handles applying customer credits. To create a delayed credit in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Create button in the navigation bar. Then select the Delayed Credit link under the Customers heading to open the Delayed Credit window. Select the customer's name from the Customer dropdown. Enter the creation date of the delayed credit into the Delayed Credit Date field. The delayed credit's number appears in the Delayed Credit Number field, and you can change it if you enabled custom transaction numbers in your company file settings. If classes are assigned per transaction or locations are enabled, you can use the class and location dropdowns at the right side of this form to select your desired choices. Next, click into the Product Service column in the Line Items section to select the products or services for which the customer is being credited, and enter the associated line items return refund information. Alternatively, to create a new general credit line item, select the Add New choice from the Product Service dropdown and then create it in the Product Service Information pane that then appears. Take care if creating a general credit product or service to select the correct income account and set its correct taxable setting. Note that unlike a credit memo, which is applied in the Receive Payment window, a delayed credit's sales tax and subtotal information is only calculated after it is added to an invoice in the future. So note that information doesn't appear in this form. However, make sure the total amount to credit is accurately entered and that the line item information is correct, so you won't need to change that in the invoice in the future. When finished, save the delayed credit by selecting a choice from the Save and New/Save and Close drop-down button in the toolbar at the bottom of the window. To later apply a delayed credit to a future invoice for this customer, open a new invoice window. Then select the name of the customer for whom you created the delayed credit from the Customer dropdown. At that point, a Suggested Transactions pane appears at the right side of the invoice window and shows any billable items or delayed credits you can add to the selected customer's invoice. To add a delayed credit that appears in this pane, click the Add button below the desired credit in the pane to add the delayed credit as a line item credit within the new invoice. Then complete and save the invoice as you normally would. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.